Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your Samsung A14 and open Settings. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is available so you can test connectivity after turning off Data Saver. Next, go to Connections. This groups all network controls. Then tap Data Usage to reach the Data Saver control. You're skipping idle steps to get to the toggle quickly because the setting is nested, and finding the exact menu saves time. And on the data usage screen, find and tap Data Saver to open details. You will see a single toggle labeled Data Saver. Flip it to off. Doing so restores background data for most apps and lets full syncs run. If you use limited data plans, make sure to check app exceptions. Tap Allowed Apps and permit only the apps you trust. Once toggled off, background updates resume, so you'll notice notifications and syncing return almost immediately. After turning Data Saver off, open an app that relies on background data, mail, or messaging to confirm syncing works. If you still see limited updates, make sure Battery Saver is not active because it can restrict apps similarly. If the Data Saver switch is unavailable or grayed out, reboot the phone and check for device admin or parental controls blocking changes. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings. This clears potential configuration problems without deleting personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.